Hello world, I am Anmol Choksi and this is my CS50 project for search. So what search essentially required us to do was that uh, pages that were very similar to Google search's own pages using only HTML and CSS. So over here I've made in Google search the Google image search page and the Google advanced search page. So as you can see over here, this is the Google search page and there are links on top to redirect us between image search as well as advanced search. So I can click on image search and be taken to the Google image search page, back to the Google search page, and to the advanced search, again to the image. So there are links that connect all three of these pages. No matter where we are on each page, we can always go to the other one. Now another thing is that all of these pages, the aesthetics and the CSS of this page are very similar to Google's own search pages. So this is very similar to how Google search actually does look like, along with Google image and Google advanced search. So all of it, the CSS has been made to be as close as possible to the real thing. And the working is also the same. So let's go to Google search. If for example I would type something in the box cats and I click on the Google search button, now I will be taken to the Google's own page for cats, and these are all of the links that would have come as they normally do. This is similar to the image search page. If let's go on image search and let's click on dogs, and if I click enter, I'll be taken to shown all the images that are there when the query dog is clicked. And even the advanced search page is very similar to Google's own advanced search page, with all of these being left aligned, all of these are stacked one on top of the other, and like including the advanced search button. So if I were to search for dogs, if I wanted to include only pugs, and I didn't want to see any products, dog products related to pugs, only about the dogs, and I click on advanced search and it would take me to the Google page that would come if I had done this using Google's own advanced search page. And finally, one last feature is the I'm feeling lucky button, and if this button is clicked when nothing is there in the input box, I would be taken to Google Doodles pages. However, if I do type something like cats and if I click on the I'm feeling lucky button, then I would be taken to the first result that would have come when I wouldn't have clicked anything. So if I click on the normal Google search, the first result that I get is the Wikipedia page for cats. So if I click on the I'm feeling lucky button after having typed in cats, I would be redirected to the Wikipedia page for cats. And this is the normal redirect notice that appears, which you can see is the Wikipedia page here. And so the Wikipedia page for cats is where I would end up on. And this would work for any query. This would be similar. It shows us the first page that does come. So yeah, thank you. That was all. This was CS50.